Damn, guys, it's been a minute, man. I can't wait to get on my social media. It's your boy Boma, BBNaija season 6. Shine your eye. Anticipating, waiting. Damn, wow. 324K, all the love. Damn, notifications, choke. Oh, wow. King Solomon, man, thanks, bro. You were king as well, man. One love. Wow, let's see. Oh, Juliet, AK, oh, we love you. You'll be fine. Let me know if you need. Oh, wow, thank you. We love you too, man. Oh, my God. Eunice, my heart was hot yesterday seeing you leave, but we played a very good race. We tried, and even God knows, I'm sure you're going to do great things, regardless of all the negativity. As the Bravehearts, we'll be here to support you. Yo, baby, thank you. So now you slept with somebody's wife. Shame on you. Shame on your generation. Richard, what's happening now? Hey, God. Now, wow. Oh, wow. Megan Fox is your biggest fan in Cameroon, man. All the love to Cameroon, man. Love you too, man. I'll see you soon. You fuck up big time. Can you now? How far now? I think fuck up now. That's script now. Come on, man. I go. One man tell director tell me say you should go like this. One man argue. Amusa Ayomide, I love you, Boma. I'm a big fan. Amusa, I love you too, man. Thank you, guys. It's been real. It's been so much love out here. I can't really go through everything. There's thousands of messages. But guess what? I can't wait to see you guys out there, party with you guys, have drinks with you guys, and get to communicate with you one-on-one, man.